Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Porsche 911 versus Porsche GT3 RS. We'll explore how these two iconic sports cars, both bearing the legendary 911 name, cater to very different driving desires. One is a versatile, everyday performance machine, while the other is a raw, track-focused weapon designed for ultimate lap times. Let's dive into their core distinctions and see which one might be the perfect fit for your driving style. When it comes to performance, both cars deliver exhilarating power, but in different ways. The standard 911 models often feature powerful twin-turbocharged engines, providing immense torque across the rev range for effortless acceleration. The GT3 RS, however, boasts a high-revving, naturally aspirated engine, delivering a more visceral and engaging experience, especially on the track. Its power delivery is linear and incredibly responsive, making every shift a thrill. The driving experience is where these two truly diverge. The Porsche 911, even in its sportier trims, maintains a level of comfort and sophistication suitable for daily commutes or long road trips. Its interior is luxurious and well-appointed. The GT3 RS, on the other hand, sacrifices some creature comforts for pure performance. Its aggressive aerodynamics, including a prominent rear wing and a track-focused suspension setup, ensure maximum grip and precision on the circuit, making it a true driver's car. Considering the investment, the Porsche 911 offers a wide range of models, making it accessible to various budgets within the luxury sports car segment. The GT3 RS, being a more specialized and limited production vehicle, commands a higher premium and often appreciates in value due to its exclusivity and track pedigree. Both offer incredible value for their performance, but cater to different priorities. Before you go, make sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.